Welcome back, everyone.
Hi guys.
Sean and Amira here.
So another unboxing video. So let's get right into it. It's sushi. Like a whole starter kit for a sushi session.
All right, so this should have everything you need in order to perfect your sushi roll. So we have
The rice vinegar.
rice vinegar,
Some chopsticks. I'm gonna go ahead and
take them out.
put
You
them
need the knife again?
scissors.
Right down the middle.
There we go. Yeah. Take this. Chopsticks.
2 pairs of chopsticks. The sushi board roller.
I would have never thought that's the name.
I don't think that's the name, but it's called a sushi mat.
Okay.
Got the sushi mat.
The sushi mat.
All right.
Chopsticks, baby. Maybe you should open this.
Open the chopsticks.
Pops a boop.
All right.
I got our chopsticks.
Sauce dishes. Okay. You could open it. Don't break the nail, did you?
Huh?
Said don't break a nail.
Please. Please. Okay, we got the piece of corn.
Okay. You got the sushi rice.
Yeah. The soy sauce, did you say that already?
No, I did not.
Soy sauce? I like opening stuff, okay? Okay?
Some wasabi. All right.
I wonder what it looks like and what. Is it a tube?
Let's open it up. Let's see. Let us see. And you're right, it is a tube.
Nice. Pop! I'm struggling over here.
You struggling? Yeah, let's bring it. Okay, she got it. She got it.
I got it. Some pickled ginger.
And this is my favorite. I can eat this by itself. So half of this is gonna be mine for sure.
Could never be me. Okay. And then some sushi sheets. Like sushi. Seaweed sheets.
Seaweed sheets.
Sorry.
And then of course, so we don't struggle, how to make it. So this is the instructions, and then you will see us at some point make some sushi. You ready for that? Are you ready for that?
I'm ready. I don't know. I don't think he's ready.
You'll see. You'll find out.
But yeah. Oops.